probably just got in your brand new Seint makeup palette and you're wondering, how does this work? How do I set my palette up? What order do I put the tins in? So today I'm going to show you how to set up your Seint makeup palette. When you get your makeup, it's going to come in a little bag that looks like this. Just open it up and take the tins out. Your makeup is going to come in tins that look like this. You're just going to want to slide the tin out. I would recommend saving at least one lid off of your tin, because if you need to like pop a color out, it's just more efficient. It's easier to get tins out if you have an extra. And I like to put the tins in the order of which I use. First, I'm going to put contour. Next, brightening highlight, which is your concealer. Next, main highlight, which is basically foundation. A lip and cheek. You may have purchased a bronzer and an illuminator, so we're going to throw that in. On the second layer, I'm going to throw in my powders, which is like my eyeshadows and my setting powder. I also like to throw in the brush cleaning tile for your eyeshadow brush. So in our palette, we have our contour, our brightening highlight, our main highlight, our lip and cheek, a bronzer, an illuminator, some eyeshadows, a brush cleaning tile, and my setting powder. Thanks for watching. Hit that follow button for more tips and tricks.